Creating a new project in Traduality is an easy 3-step process. First, make sure that you are in the Projects and Jobs section and click on Create New Project. 2 options will show up. The Create a New Project option allows you to request services from translators with a self-service experience. We recommend choosing this option if you have experience managing translation-related projects on your own, or if you're looking for a straightforward translation service. The Delegate a New Project option allows you to delegate entire projects to Traduality's project managers. This option feels similar to working with a translation agency. You create a project request, and Traduality takes care of delivering the desired service, meeting the highest quality standards. Both options have the same 3-step process. For now, let's choose self-service. On step 1, choose a name for your project and a description. Select the global service or main service that best describes your needs, the original language, and the specialization or subject matter that best describes the nature of your project. On step 2, you create jobs. A job is basically an assignment for a translator. Let's follow the example. First, choose the target languages. In this case, I need this translation into French, German, and Spanish. So I will enter all 3 languages. Then select the specific service that you need. After that, choose an approximate start date and time and deadline details. Now, enter the work volume. In this case, I'm entering words to translate, but if you're not familiar with obtaining word counts out of documents, you can also enter a number of pages. You can optionally choose a desired delivery format. In this case, I'm selecting the Microsoft Word file extension. Finally, you can enter special instructions, if any. Please keep in mind that translators applying to your job will be able to see all of this information, so refrain from entering any confidential information on this step. If needed, you can add additional jobs to the same project. On step 3, you can upload work files and reference files. These files will remain attached to the project. If you're dealing with a sensitive file, you can select it to be private. If selected, translators applying for the job won't get access to the file. Only the translators you choose to hire get access. Since you may not want to share sensitive information at this step, we recommend that you create a sample document containing from 250 to 500 words and attach it as a reference file. This way, translators applying for the job can become familiar with the work file without being revealed the entire document, allowing them to create an accurate price quote for you. After uploading any relevant work and reference files, click on Launch Project to fully create the project and start receiving applications from translators. If you chose to delegate a project to Traduality, this step sends your project to Traduality. A project manager will get assigned, and you won't be able to make any more changes to the project. The Traduality project manager assigned may add additional jobs as they see fit or enter any charges for add-on services needed to complete your project following Traduality's quality standards. Once the project is ready for your approval, you will be able to see the total cost of the project, and you can choose whether to proceed with the project or not. On the next video, you will learn about important steps for self-service projects, such as how to review applications, select the translators you want to hire for your project, and receive delivery files.